Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you are fine and busy in the preparation of examination. Students, already revision classes have been started. Take care, be attentive, and be punctual in your work. Don't take tension if there is any query regarding any subjects, then you ask on the WhatsApp. But don't take tension. Don't be depressed. Be happy and do your work. Now I am going to start your maths class. Today I am going to give you the revision of number system and addition. Be ready for it. Take out your books and copies and start your work. My dear children, this is the recap of number system. Already in class 3, you have learned up to 5-digit numbers. As you know, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and it is read as 10,000, and largest 5-digit number is 99,999 and it is written in this way. You know, one more than 99,999 is 1 lakh, and 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Already I have explained all about this. And one more than 1 lakh is 1 lakh 1, and it is written as 1 lakh 1. In this way, you can write here 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 99, 1 lakh 201, 1 lakh 5,001, 1 lakh 9,999, 1 lakh 52,065 and 9 lakh 99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. When you will add 1, then you are getting 7-digit number. So you can say that 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. Now, place value of a 6-digit number. My dear students, please recall what I had explained about the place value. This is the place value of a 6-digit number. Place value is of consonant digit ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. And here 6-digit of number 1 lakh 251 is given here, and from right to left you are proceeding. So 1 belongs to 1 ones, then 5 it belongs to 5 tens, then 200s, then 0,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. In this way you can write the place value of a specific digit. Now expanded form of 6-digit number. This is the way of expanding of the number. If the number is 6,54,213, here 6 lakh. So you have to write here 6 lakh. Then 50,000, 5 10,000s are there. So 50,000. Then 4,000, 4 into 1,000. It means 4,000. Then 200. Then 10 plus 3. In this way, you can write the expanded form of the given digits. Next, 4,50,032. So again, you expand it according to the place value. 4 stands for lakh, so 4 lakh. Then 0 stands for 10,000, that is 0. 5 stands for 1,000, so 5,000. And again 0 stands for 100 and it is 0. 3 stands for tens, so it is 30, and 2 stands for ones, so 2. In this way, you can write the expanded form. Already, I am giving you the brief of each and every chapter. Please read it and then you have to practice different exercises. My dear children, next topic is comparison of two number. How you can say which one number is greater? In class 3, you have learned how to compare two number. We will follow the same rules for comparing the 6-digit number. Rule first, number which contains more digit is greater than the number having less digit. Suppose 10, it has 2 digits, and 9, it has only 1 digit. So 10 is greater than 9. Next one, when two numbers contains same digit, then we compare leftmost digit of both the number. If there are same digit at one's place, then you have to compare of the next place, and then you will write which one is greater. Number which is having greater digit should be considered as a larger number. If the leftmost digits of both the numbers are same, then we compare the next digit to the right. In this way, you have to compare and then write it. Example, which number is greater than 6,65,785 and 6,76,865. Now solution is given here. For both the number, lakh place is having 6 digits. So we cannot decide which number is greater by comparing the lakh place. Now let's consider 10,000 place. And here in 6,65,785, 6 is at the 10,000 place, and 6,76,865, there is 7 each at 10,000 place. So we know 7 is greater than 6. So you can say that 6,65,785 is less than 6,76,000. Students, our next topic is ascending order. Ascending order means writing a given group of numbers in increasing order. Means the smallest one will be the first, and then we will proceed towards the largest one. Here example is given, and you have to arrange it in ascending order. So many numbers are given here, and solution is also given here. So first we will choose the smallest one, that is 5,789. Then greater will be 5,06,098. Then 5,06,780. And the last one is the largest number, that is 5,67,893. So the first numeral will be the smallest and the last will be the largest. In this way, you can solve the ascending order. Next one, descending order. Just opposite of ascending order. Ascending order means writing a given group of number in decreasing order. Let's have a look on example. That is, example is given here. Arrange the below given number in descending order. Means you will just reverse it from the ascending order. First, you will take the largest number, and in the last, there will be the smallest number. So in the solution, you are saying that 1,65,020. This is the largest number. Then smaller number 1,56,798. Then 1,56,780, and then 1,55,634. It means first one is the largest numeral and the last one is the smallest numeral. In this way, you can solve the descending order. I think now your concept is clear. All of you are recalling the previous work, and this will be, listen it carefully, read it carefully. This will be helpful in solving the practice set. Now students, this is Indian number system. We count the number and write the name of the number. According to place value, we write the number and then read it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Again 10 lakh and crore is given, but it is not your syllabus. Up to 1 lakh we have to read and we have to keep it in your mind. That is 1 lakh is the 6-digit number. You find out the place value of the concerned digit and then write the name of the number according to it. Now students, I have given you so many practice sets. So many sums are given here and you have to practice it. If you are not understanding, then send your query on the WhatsApp and try to solve it at first. Very easy. All of you have done this and you can do. I know it. This is very easy and you know all about it. So first question is, what number comes between this and this? Choose the number and write it. Only one answer is correct and you have to find out only one answer. Then what is the smallest 6-digit number? You know that. What is the successor of this one, this digit? Successor means plus 1. You will add plus 1 and then you will get the successor. Observe the pattern and then write it. Fill in the boxes. What is the greatest 6-digit number? Just I have explained you greatest 6-digit number. What you will get after adding 999 to the smallest 6-digit number? First, write down the smallest 6-digit number, then you add 999 in it, then you will get the answer. Next one, which one is correct? 7,575 and which here there are 4 options. Which one option is correct? You have to find out it. Next one, which one is the correct figure for 460,205? Which digit is correct? Which numeral is correct? You have to find out. Next one, what you will get after adding 1 to the greatest 6-digit number? First, you write the greatest 6-digit number, then you add 1, then you will get the answer. Next one, this is true or false. If true, then write it true, and if false, then write it false. So don't be in hurry. First, note down your question in your copy and then think over it. Each and every question is very easy and you know about it, but in hurry you are doing wrong. So note down all the questions in your copy, thinking and rethinking about it and then try to solve it. Same type of question. So many options are given here and you have to find out the correct answer. So the greatest 6-digit number found by using these digits. You have to find out the greatest 6-digit number. The period of the digit dash in lakhs. Which number belongs to lakhs place period? You have to find out it. The smallest 6-digit number is here in the option it is given. You choose it. The sum of the place value of 9 and 7 in the number. First, you find out the place value of 9, then place value of 7, then add it and then you find out the correct option. Here it is given in the expanded form and you have to write it into the short form. Add it and then do it. Now my dear student, next question is, write the 3 periods of a 6-digit numeral. Also mention the corresponding places of each period. You know 3 periods of a 6-digit numeral is ones, thousands and lakhs. So you write down it and then you mention the corresponding place which you have drawn the earlier. Next one, here you are given the following numerals. Pick out the greatest numeral and the smallest numeral from the given numerals. So here so many numerals are here. Find out which one is greater and which one is the smallest. Next, fill in the blanks. So many fill in the blanks are here. Note down it and try to solve it. Now, my dear students, next topic is your addition. All of you are well known about it. This is the addition of 5-digit number and 6-digit number. First, you arrange all the digits according to place value. Place value, if you are arranging this column, then there is no chance of any mistake. So first, you write down the make the column of this place value, then you arrange all the digit in the respective place value and then you add it. As usual, first we add ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands and at the end of 10,000, and after that you will get the final answer. Next one, again same way, first you arrange the digits according to the place value, next you write it and then adding ones, then adding tens, then adding hundreds, then adding thousands, then adding 10,000. In this way, you will get the final answer. Now, my dear students, it is given 3. First add, you know about it, arrange it and then again in the same way adding ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand and then 10,000. In this way you are getting the whole answer. Same thing is here. So many examples I have shown you for your clear concept. So first you look over the example very carefully. All of you observe it, see it and then try to solve your practice set. My dear students, this is your practice set. So many sums are given here. It is already arranged. Only you write it in your copy and then you solve it. Very easy and you can do it. Be careful when you are solving all your sums. And one thing more, you have to write down the digit very carefully. Always you are mistake. Write, no, don't write it properly. There is a mistake in writing the digits, so your sums are wrong. So please note down your sums carefully and then you will do it. My dear students, this is the answer slide which previous I have given you. Previous slide is the question slide and this is your answer slide. I am giving you the answer slide also because there are so many problems in seeing each and every digits. So please you cross check it with the help of this answer slide. First you do it yourself and then with the help of this answer slide you cross check your copy and then you send it to me for the final corrections. Students, next topic is subtraction of 5-digit numbers and 6-digit number. 6-digit and 7-digit numbers are subtracted in the same way as smaller number. First, we subtract the digit in the ones place, then we subtract the digit in the tens place, followed by those in 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs place. Means, first you keep it in your mind, you are subtracting from bigger number to smaller number. In this way, you can make the column and write down the respective digit and then you subtract it. First, you subtract from the column of ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh. And then you are getting the final answer. This is your, in the last column, this is your final answer. My dear student, next example is subtract 54 lakh 32,513 from 95 lakh 79,636. Students, one thing you have to see here. It is 7-digit number and it is also 7-digit number. Don't worry about it. After lakh, you are getting 10 lakh. This value of 10 lakhs. Only for entertainment, I have given you. Don't worry about it. If you can't solve it, then you can leave this. So once again, first you arrange this one, make this column, then you arrange the digit in concerned place value, and then you start your subtraction. First you subtract from ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. In this way, after subtraction, you are getting this one, the final answer. That is 41 lakh 47,123. This is your answer. Next, subtraction of 6-digit and 7-digit numbers with borrowing. Means, but in this kind of subtraction, we use the same method as above, but we borrow numbers from the next higher place value wherever required. If no required, then leave it. If there is required, then we borrow from the next higher digit. In the, here you can say first you can't subtract 8 from 6, so you borrow from the next higher place value. It is equal to 16. Now you subtract. It is equal to 16. Now you subtract 8 and then you are getting 8. Here 6 is remaining. Now you subtract 2. This is 4. Then you can't subtract 4 from 3. So once again you borrow it from the next place. That is 13. Now you subtract 4. Now you are getting here 9. Next 2. You can't subtract 5 from this one. So you borrow from the next higher place, and that is here 11. 11, and you are subtracting 5 here, which is equal to 6. Again here 3. 4. You can't subtract 7 from this one. So you borrow it from the next higher places, and here it is what? 13. Now you subtract 7 from it, 6. In this way 4. Subtract 2 from it. This is your final answer. In this way you can solve the subtraction with borrowing. Now this is your example 2. Subtract 35 lakh 46,718 from 76 lakh 35,415. Already students, I have discussed it earlier. In this column, method is given here. I am giving you so many examples for your clear concept. So it is necessary to observe each and every example carefully. After observing the example, your concept will be clear and you will be perfect in your sums. So don't overlook it. All of you observe all the examples carefully. Then you note down all these examples in your copy and try to solve it. And first you try yourself. Then you will cross-check it with the answers. Okay? I think all of you have understood it about it. Now, next one is the problem sums. Next question is given here. In a stockyard, there are 6,78,547 kg of rice present, out of which 2,09,500 kg supplied to different stores. Now, how much rice was left in the stockyard? In first stockyard, there was this amount of rice was present, and this amount of rice was supplied in different stores. You have to find out the left rice in the first stockyard. For this, solution is given here. Write down the amount of rice present in the first stockyard, then rice supplied to the different store. This one weight is given here. Now remaining rice in the stockyard. You have to subtract it. Amount of rice present in the stockyard minus rice supplied to different stores. It is written here and you subtract it. Now your final answer is 4,69,038 kg of rice will remain in the stockyard. This is all about your problem sums and the subtraction. Students, your next example is a man earns rupees 25 lakh 79,825 in a year. Means in 12 months a man is earning this amount and he spends rupees 6 lakh 38,975. How much does he save? You are seeing here spending amount is lesser than earning amount. So whatever the amount after subtraction you will get, that will be the saving. So first you write man earns in a year, that is rupees 25 lakh 79,825, and man is spending in a year, that is 6 lakh 38,975. Now the earning amount is, you have to subtract from man earns in a year minus he spends in a year. In this way, you write it in the statement. You have to write it in this way. Now you subtract it and you are getting here 19 lakh 40,850. This is the total savings of the man. In this way, you can solve each and every question properly. If you are seeing or observing all the sums carefully, then you can achieve good, not only good, but best score in your examination. My dear student, this is another practice set and so many sums are given here. You read all the questions carefully and then solve it. First question, if a number is subtracted from itself, then the result is, you have read about the rules. So recall your rules and find out the answer. Second one, dash will be added to this one to get 3,99,821. So recall all the rules of each and every question and try to solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you send it in the notes. My dear students, here another type of question. First one is given here. You have to find out those digits here. After subtraction, you will answer, final answer is this one, and you have to find out this one. So how you will do it? Already I have explained it. Do it and then send me. Next one, how much should be added to the sum of this one and this one to get 55 lakh. So first you add it and then you subtract it from this one, then you will get the final answer. Last one, by how much is the sum fitna greater than the sum of this and this? First add the both and again, and then you subtract it, you will get the final answer. In this way, you can solve all question answers carefully. Okay, have a nice day.